Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert SpayLater to GCash in seconds in 2025. So first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for shopee.com. After that, you will have to select your country, and then you will have to simply log into your Shopee account, and you need to go to the SpayLater account. Now here you need to make sure that your SpayLater is linked to your GCash account. This usually happens when you sign in through the GCash application. Now you just have to simply open a new tab and search for GCash.com. You can even just follow the same steps in GCash mobile application. Now once you are over here, you will have to simply log into your account, then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen and find the SpayLater section. You need to check your SpayLater balance here, and you can use the balance to pay the bills, shop and buy services directly using GCash. So if you see any kind of problems, I would highly recommend you to contact to the GCash customer support team. For that, on this page, if you tap on these lines, you will see the About Us option and Help Center as well. So you need to tap on Help Center and you can contact to the support. You can explain that you want to use SpayLater balance with GCash, and they will guide you step by step. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.